here's how you can fix an external monitor that keeps turning off and on. Start by disconnecting the HDMI cable from both your computer and the monitor. Check both ports for dust or debris, then reconnect the cable securely. If possible, try a different HDMI cable, as a faulty cable is one of the most common causes of flickering or signal loss. If the problem continues, open Settings on your computer and go to Display. Make sure the display resolution and scale are both set to the recommended values for your monitor. Next, select your external monitor from the list, then check the refresh rate. If it's set to a high value such as 120 Hz or 144 Hz, lower it to 60 Hz and see if the issue is resolved. Some monitors or cables may become unstable at higher refresh rates. Finally, test the monitor with another computer or another HDMI port. If the problem only occurs with one device, the issue is likely with that computer. If it happens on multiple devices, the monitor itself may be faulty. That's all for this video. Thanks.